video we are going to introduce the VS Code. So the video is not going to so much long. So let's write here VS Code. So VS Code is a coding platform and software where you can write the code and see and practice and create softwares, and you can download in Windows, Linux and the others like MacBook and other ones. So that's permission to Windows 11 and Windows 10. So I had Windows 11. So that I am using VS Code or Windows 11, so they can use too. So this is VS Code. There are many things in VS Code. Simply you have to click download and that will be started for downloading. Come down, you will see there the extensible and customizable. You can use these languages in VS Code. Come down and there will go the download. Only you need 64-bit and 64-bit. ARM will be 64 and the both Linux and Windows need this. And the other one is the Mac. You can see Intel chip, Apple, Silicon and Universal, and then you can